Alright, this is the video of my 1999 Craftsman high-wheeled weed trimmer. This one was made by Murray. Originally had the Tecumseh engine, now has a Briggs. This Briggs engine actually came off of the American Yard Products version of the high-wheeled weed trimmer. Now this thing's had heavy use its whole life. The original motor, let my mom use it, and well, she ran out of oil. So anyway, if you have this particular model from Murray, you'll know about the problem with keeping the head up. It just keeps dropping and dropping and dropping. It's very, very annoying. Now, I tried different things over the years. I tried new set screws. I also drilled a secondary hole and put a second set screw across from the other one, and I still had the issue with it dropping down. The solution I eventually came up with was, you have these collars here, your locking collars. You slide one up there, and basically you tighten it down. Then you put your head on to the collar to make sure you got it at the right height. You might have to take it and then readjust this upper collar, because that one's going to be your stop. Put this on, tighten the screw on it, and then on the underside you have another collar. And that one, when you put that one on, that keeps it from dropping. So it keeps it from moving. It'll still come loose, which I haven't found any way to keep them from coming loose. I mean, I put them in parts before and it still came loose, but having the collar on the top and bottom, it supports it, and you don't have the issue of the head dropping down anymore. The reason I'm servicing this one is this head, after all these years, has kind of, well, it's seen better days. See, I broke the center out. This is also very far ground down. Let's see. You may be familiar with these plastic heads. The best way to keep these heads from going bad, because if you break the keyway, it'll spin and melt and fall off. The best way not to have that happen is do your best not to hit any rocks or bricks. Anything that would hook into this, like dig in, that's what's going to shear the center of the keyway out. I have my new head here. I bought this head, probably around 13 years ago, back when it was still Murray. Have a whole lot of extra parts for this, and I'm glad I bought them, because when Briggs bought Murray, they sure raised the price. Ta-da, there's my new one. And of course, it's only got the one set screw in it. You can see how much difference there is in that shoulder. That's years of grass melting down into the plastic. So, like I said, you only got the one set screw on these. It's stupid, but even putting a second set screw doesn't help. So, like, if you were to get some of these collars, put one on the top, then put your head, and then put your lower one, you won't have an issue. Best solution I've come up with. If you know something better, I'd like to hear it.